If Waze keeps zooming in or out automatically while you are driving, it can make navigation harder than it should be. So in this video we will know how to fix auto zoom on Waze app. The first thing you have to do is to go to the application of Waze. We'll tap on Waze app. Here in this page you will go to this window and you will enter. Then in this list you will find settings. You will click on your settings. After that, here in this page you will find this page of, in this list you will find map display, so you will tap here and then you will find this sign of auto zoom. You will click here to enable this auto zoom on the application of Waze. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.